Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. I'm getting ready to do a live feed of this evening's sunset down at the Naples Pier. I thought I'd just give you a look at the pier. It's been a while since I've been down here. Nothing's really changed here. Still sitting here all broken and battered, unfortunately. As far as I know, from what I've read online, I've shared a link if you want to read up on what's going on with the rebuilding project here. There's a link in there in the little text description. But they're held up with permitting still, which seems kind of ridiculous. 3 years since Hurricane Ian destroyed the pier. Sad, sad, sad. The surf is up here. Hit that share button. There's a lot of people that are curious as to what's going on here. Beautiful clear skies this evening. Beautiful bright Florida sun. Alright, thanks for watching. Thanks for allowing me into your lives and onto your screens. Have a good one. Tally ho, my friends. Tally ho.